In Stacking Up today, Todd, Bubba, Horwitz is here to take a closer look at the market with us. And what do you think? Dow 20,000 this week?
Good morning. I'm certainly, almost a certainty, I would think.
We have a lot coming into the market, of course, with jobs,
We've
Fed
had
minutes.
Fed minutes, jobs, but we also have a very thin market. This is still holiday trade. Now, again, we don't feel like it because it's after the first of the year. However, the way the holidays fell this year, a lot of traders with their families are still on vacation and they won't be back until next week. So we'll kind of see how it plays from here.
Well, the kids are off this week.
Right, well, that's what I mean. That's exactly right.
All right, let's take a look at the biotechs because you are...
I'm a bear. I'm a biotech bear.
You are.
Something unusual.
You are a biotech bear. You're playing it to the downside.
I'm playing XBI to the downside, which is the ETF that represents the biotechs. And I just look at it and I go, it had a great run, and it's not that I'm that negative, but based on the technicals, based on the way the charts look, into the little bit of a rally it had yesterday, I think it's a great opportunity to sell into it. And I think that I'm going to do I put diagonal in there, which is just I'm going to buy a put out in January 20th, which is 2 weeks from Friday, and I'm going to sell the 59 put that expires this Friday, hope it stays above, bring my overall cost down, and then look to be short and make a decision next week if I want to do the same thing over again and continue to reduce cost, or if I actually want to go for the shot. But I do think that markets are a little bit fishy here, and there's a lot of things going on yesterday and this morning, so I think I want to watch.
You do want to watch, and of course we have the inauguration coming up. That could move the market.
I think something that's just interesting, just a quick note, is, I mean, if you look at around, the dollar is soaring higher, yet commodities are higher as well, and gold is very merchant unchanged, and oil is flying to the moon. One of those things has to be wrong, and we'll see how it plays out.
We'll see how it plays out. Now, for somebody who doesn't want to do an option strategy on XBI, what do you think about that?
Well, I mean, I would be willing to short it myself, but I mean, it is a little bit risky. You know, it's a very high-flying biotech. It's really much safer to play through the option world. You know, I prefer, when I recommend or look at some of these bigger plays, that you use options, because I don't want to see a problem, because you could wake up one day and it could just be 10% higher, where if you have the options, limited risk. Here, I think you could be in trouble. I don't really like shorting stocks, especially for non-professional traders.
You never know. Thank you for coming on the show.
Thanks for having me.